The Arlo Essential Security Camera 2K delivers sharp, detailed video that makes it easy to see faces, clothing, and license plates in a wide field of view. Its fully wireless, battery-powered design with weather resistance makes outdoor placement flexible and hassle-free, even for do-it-yourself installers. Color night vision and an integrated spotlight provide surprisingly clear footage after dark, so you can actually identify what is happening instead of guessing at silhouettes. Smart detection can distinguish between people, vehicles, animals, and packages, which helps cut down on nuisance alerts while still flagging the events that matter. The companion application feels polished, offering animated previews, two-way audio, zoom, and remote siren control so you can respond quickly from almost anywhere. Dual-band wireless connectivity and broad compatibility with major smart home platforms make it easy to integrate these cameras into an existing connected home setup.